How to install the AMP Professional Landscape Lighting Kit. Step 1. Assemble parts. Start by assembling the fixtures. Unscrew the lenses and push the bulbs into place. Then attach the ground stakes to the bottom. Step 2. Plan. Position the transformer near an electrical outlet and away from any plants that might block the light-sensing photocell timer. Fixtures have 25 feet of lead wire and should be within 25 feet of a hub. Hubs should be no more than 100 feet from the transformer. Step 3. Set fixtures. Once you're happy with the layout, go ahead and set the fixtures by driving the stakes into the ground. One of our AMP foot stompers makes this process a breeze. Take this time to also adjust the angles on the spotlights. Step 4. Run wires. Run wires from the fixtures to the hub closest to them. Run supply wires from the transformer to each of the hubs. Dig channels along the wires at least 4 inches deep to ensure the wires stay buried. Take advantage of multiple fixtures in line with the hub and dig one channel for multiple wires. If you have them, garden staples can be a huge help by keeping wires down while burying. Step 5. Connect wires. Insert the wires into the hubs and trim off any excess. Split the wire and strip both ends. Flip 2 opposing orange latches on the hub. Insert one end of the stripped wire on either side, then flip the orange latches back, securing the wire. Connect all fixtures to a hub and both hubs to the transformer. Step 6. Turn on, test, and adjust. After flipping on the transformer, make sure that all fixtures are illuminated. If a fixture isn't lighting up, first check the connections. If everything is wired properly and the problem persists, swap the bulb with one you know works. If the fixture or bulb is damaged, don't worry, give us a call and we'll get you a new one. Every kit comes with our lifetime warranty. Step 7. Nighttime adjustments. One of the most important steps in any installation is to check back at night to ensure all fixtures are aligned and properly adjusted. And that's all there is to it. Just set the timer to your client's preferred setting and they get to come home every night to a beautifully illuminated house. Shop our convenient and budget-friendly kits at amplighting.com.